Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox on Mac operating system. So first of all, I need to open the Google Chrome browser, and in the search bar I will type download VirtualBox and I will click this link. Okay. Afterwards I will select this option, macOS Apple Silicon host. The reason I'm selecting this option because I'm using the M1 chip, Apple M1 chip. Okay, let me just show you the system information. If you look at here, go to system information. I'm using Apple M1, so therefore I will select this option. Okay, this is going to start the download process. I have already downloaded this file. Now what I need to do, I need to open this file. Okay, just open it and just move this VirtualBox in the application folder. Okay, now what next I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the applications. Okay, it has been moved. I will go to the applications from here and I will open this VirtualBox package. Okay, let me just open the exe file, the installer file. Okay, now click continue. I don't want to change anything. Okay, I will click continue. I don't want to change the install location, it will be as it is. So install, here I'm going to provide the password, install software, and this is installing the VirtualBox in Mac operating system. Okay, okay, the installation is successful. Now I will click close. Okay, close this window, and now I'm going to go to the launchpad and I will search VirtualBox and I will open this application. Now this has been installed in my system. I hope you have gone through the process. Thank you so much and have a great learning.